Hello, welcome once again into part 8 of our tutorial. This is CAD B. My name is Lucas Chacha and I'm a CAD instructor, and in this tutorial I'll be doing a continuation of where we left, that was adding beam wall load. So we like to copy or to put our first floor columns, and then we insert the roof, or we insert trusses, then we insert purlins, and then we add the cladding for the roof. Hey, sorry. So let's get started. There is something I forgot to mention, that if you remember our plan, this was a laboratory building, and it had some walls, not walls but opening, like doors and windows. So that the weight of doors and windows should be factored in the building. So how do you do that? If you want to factor in your window or doors or opening in your building so that you reduce the beam wall load, what you do, you just go to plan view and then you edit the beam wall load. So to do that, let's go to plan view of our story building. Right click, no, views, right click, go to plan. So under plan, just select one of the wall here, right click, and then go to edit beam wall load. Can you see that option? Yes, edit beam wall load. You'll have that, and then you go and say that edit the opening. So I had introduced this my opening, so let me add another opening, like for a window here. So my window can be, maybe the width of the window could be 1200, and then it will be, the height of the window should be, let's say, 800, and then it should be just some 200 or 300 meters. It's just like as flash, so let us do 200. Yes, and then on the y-axis it should be around let's say 400 meters or 600 meters, somewhere there. And then we can just say this one will be the window, this one will be the door. So also the door can be edited here. Maybe I want this door will be, the height of the door should be a bit less to 1500, can see. And so the height, I want the window and the door to be on the same level, so I can add this one to, maybe instead of 500, let's go to 600, and then click OK. 700, I think 700 is okay now. Okay, so this is the door, this is the window. So these are the opening on this wall. So this one should be factored. Just click OK and click OK. So if you come to our 3D plan view, let's go to 3D and see what this one gives. You can see we have introduced our window, because this is a laboratory, a window, and let me just zoom it for clear visibility. So you can edit that to other beam wall loads by going to the first floor. Let's go to plan view of our story 1, plan view. Yes, here it is. And then where is the beam that we edited? I believe it was this one. I'm a bit not very sure, just to confirm that that's the way. Yes, this was the beam. Yes, so we are there. So just come to plan view, click here, then copy beam wall load, copy beam wall load, then select the columns that you want to, not the columns, but the beams that you want to apply that load. So let's say you want to apply those one. I'm just showing you as an example, and then come to edit beam wall load, paste copied beam wall load there, and then just click wall defined selected will be replaced. Yes, replace them. Then just say okay. come to 3D. Yes, now you can see we have our beam warlord as the windows as shown there. So this was just a by the way because I forgot to mention in my previous tutorial, but now I wanted just to show you that our main focus of this video is to show you how now we can model the roof. If you want to model the roof, remember that you have to introduce another story on top here. So to introduce another story, you just go to plan view here. Let's go to plan view and then go to building setup, go to insert story. So we only have a single story. Now we're having the ground floor and the first floor. Those are two stories. Click OK and say yes. So we have another story here. This is the plan view, you can see. So what we'll do, we'll copy now the beams in first floor to second floor, because not the beams actually, the columns. We need the columns only because we don't need a slab on top. And maybe some beams, the exterior edge beams. So to do that, we now go to beam set out and then click generate story. So you copy story 1 to story 2, and then let's not copy slab. No, we are not taking slabs here. You can undo this. We don't do slabs. So beams, we are only doing some beams. Wall, we can just put our own beams. So let's just uncheck that, only copying columns. So just click OK, then close. Then now let's go to 3D and see what. So we have our beams there. So once you have our beams, you can now go to plan view and introduce. We have our column. Now let's go to plan view, then introduce our beams. So to introduce our beams, we simply come and click here, and now you can redesign our beam. So you can use the 400, you can just use the secondary beam, not so much to 50 so that they can flash columns. Say edit, and then just come here and have your beams here. Check on that, come your way up to here, and then just click on this. So we need also some beams. We have some beams here that we have to introduce because of the section. These are two different buildings. Then we need another beam for here. So you simply click here. Do we need a beam here? Yes. We need this one here. We also need another beam. So we can also introduce another beam here. We also need a bit. There's some external ones, but I hope you can just follow through and see what I'm doing. So we can go to 3D. In 3D, let's see how it looks like. Yes. So what our next step will be introducing our columns, not our column, but our trusses. So to introduce a truss, just go to B flat, come to steel members, click trusses, then select the key points that you want to insert your truss. So I can find this point, this one. This one will appear. Just come to choose this truss here. Because now we want to extend it further. We have a cantilever towards the left side of our truss, so you can do that one to the, so that is 2,400. This one is 400. If you want to change the apex, maybe you want to make the bit over 1,500, and maybe the steel height, maybe you want to make it a bit smaller, 800. Then to left to okay. Since you can want to add the one stop, so you have your purlins. Let's just come and fix it there. We have, as you can see, the red. So let's go to preview and see what we have achieved so far. Yes, you can see our purlins here. So just delete this. So we have this, but like on the opposite side. This edge, this extra edge here, this cantilever should cover this side. So I have to go back and change it. Just go to properties, just change one to 2,500. I'm getting my value because of, let me come to my calculator here. So it's because the veranda distance is 2,900 plus the edge. The edge can be assumed to be 400, and then you add the get to 3,000, 2,300. So that's why now we just say the edge. This one actually not have the edge on the other side. You just flash directly there, but if you just have some edge, yes, 400. While the other one will have 2,300. Click OK. So I've just interchanged them. And now let me just see if all has worked well. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. So let's go back and edit. This one should be, actually this one should be 0 for our case. But this one should be 2,300. Click OK. Now let's see. Yes, this is our price here. So our next, you can see it covers the balance. So if you copy this bill along this other column. So to do that, just go to plan view. Let's go to plan view. Come here, select this right click, come to properties. However, now you have to introduce 400 here. Say OK, and then click this and this. Instead of that, you can simply come to view, come to two Trusses, click a new one, Here it is. So you can copy this one along. You can simply come to values here, new class, and the copy here and do one. And you just say okay. Then you can simply come here, just copy. But remember, you are not supposed to put them very close. So let's go to 3D and see all what we have achieved. So you can see there we have our Trusses. So you can see there, so you can add our purlins. You add your purlins, just go to plan view, and then you just click. You click on purlins, the icon for purlins here is, or you can simply come to still members and click the purlins here. Choose one of the, not one, but choose two of the, just let me repeat that. Click on the purlins, choose this one and this one. You have your purlins here. Here are the properties. You can decide to maybe change this height, first number for offset. You can just be maybe 75 so that you don't want too much of that height. You can also right click, go to properties, do the loadings. You can add here loads. I'm just showing you. Just I don't want this one to be a very long video. And then what you do now, you can to copy these are purlins there. You can simply come, click on the purlins, then choose either of the two members. Once you do your settings properly, once you click on the two buttons and click OK, you have your purlins there. So I can just do this. Click on purlins. Now just come and click on this number. Click our last number here. I think this one just came out a little bit, so and then you can click on this. So let's go to 3D and see how it looks like. So there we have our color. You can see they look a very funny color. So you can just go to layers and graphics, then go to value, partition slabs, leaders, sections, foundation, sheets, quantity, steel members, columns, steel trusses. purlins. Instead of purple, let's do something green, and then we just add a little bit of transparency. Look, okay? Yes, yes, yes. So we have our purlins as well. So you can see our model now is taking shape. Let me change the color of these of the trusses. So let me just come to trusses here. Just say steel members, brush. So we don't want this black. Let's do something maybe a bit white. No, brush. There it is. This now we can see that. Maybe you should just add some transparency. I don't know why it is not, but I hope you get the concept here. Steel members, brush. So we have brush here. Yes. So you can see now our model is actually taking shape close to what we had in our beginning. So after this, we just add loads and then we do the analysis. Let's go to a section where we have our yes, you can see we are closer to what we are drawing here. So we need to do some few modification here and then we end up with the crossover. Thank you for watching this. I hope it has been insightful. So we'll carry it from there in our next tutorial. Thank you so much.